AI as a force multiplier, not a replacement. A force multiplier, not a replacement. This is where we will have the difference or separation between the chaff and the real stuff. Everybody will hear that, oh, it is AI. You can make 10,000 videos in 2 days or whatever. People will hear all sorts of things and be thinking all sorts of things as well. So if you are going to differentiate yourself, you must have the right mindset around AI. And what's the mindset? That it is a force multiplier, meaning you are exercising a certain force. You are putting it a certain level of effort. And what you are using AI to do is to just amplify it. Amplify it. If I make a video on a normal day, trying to turn that video into a Twitter thread would have taken me so much time. But now I just need to make a video, get the transcript, send the transcript to an AI, and then the AI will replenish or rewrite the transcript nicely. I'll take that transcript, I'll put it into a GPT or into an AI platform, and it turns that transcript into a thread. And all this is done in 5 minutes. It would have taken me 30 minutes if I was supposed to write and think about this together. So now maybe in 30 minutes, I would have done just one thread. But now in 30 minutes, I can do 6 threads.